Forget how to zoom in. No, I forgot how to zoom in. Come closer. Can't see the hail. Can't see the hail.
What are you doing?
You recorded me, so I'm recording you.
What? I'm eating. Put that shit off.
No.
Okay.
It's hailing too, but I can't even see the hail in the video.
It's hailing on my lunch.
Now I can see it bounce off your head.
Dude, at least it's keeping, at least it's like, I get ice in the Coke. There we go. Keep the Coke cold. Yeah. That's perfect. That's actually a good idea. I got it in my eyes! That's what she said, right?